Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video we will understand the importance of long-term SIP and how much return SIP can give to us in the long run. This image shows the data of past 19 years, right? We can clearly see the minimum, maximum and median returns of systematic investment plans. And here we have analyzed a very detailed data which is a rolling SIP return. So here we have considered January to December, right? So our financial year starts with, technically here our financial year starts with January and it ends with December as per our investment objective. So for 1 year rolling return, here from the data we can see 39 observations we have taken. So in 1 year, the maximum returns we can gain from SIP is 181.89%. That's a very huge amount. And the minimum return we can get is minus 32.32. So we can clearly see the difference between 181 and minus 32 is huge. But the median return is 17.15. That means even if we get minus 32.32 minimum return, the medium return of the past 19 years is 17.15. So there is no any problem for 1 year of investing also. But for practical approach, we should not invest for only 1 year, right? Now let's understand 5 years of rolling return. Here we have taken 31 observation in 5 years, in which we have got maximum returns. Maximum return is 51.21% and minimum return is 0.16. So the difference between minimum and maximum has decreased a lot compared to 1 year of rolling return. In the 10 years of rolling return, we have taken 21 observations. Maximum return is 24.52% and minimum return is 10.26%. Again, the difference between maximum and minimum decreased a lot. As we are investing for long, the difference is decreasing, right? We can clearly see from the data. And the median return is 14.01. And for the 15 years of rolling return, we have taken 11 observations. The maximum return is 18%, the minimum return is 12.70%, and the median return is 15.76. That's a very good data. As we can see, the maximum and minimum difference has reduced a lot compared to 1 year, and compared to 15 years there is a huge difference. And that's why SIP has been providing stability in the long run and giving phenomenal returns for long-term investors. SIP is not for those who are just investing for 1 or 2 or 3 years. As we can see, 1 year the minimum return is minus 32.32. so there are risks in the short-term investment, but we can clearly see if you are investing for 15 years, you are getting median return is 15.76 and the minimum return is 12.70. that is quite very impressive. So that's how we can understand the importance of systematic investment plan. And if you do this right now and for next 15, 20 or 25 years, you will get better returns also, because the economy is growing, the youth is increasing in India, and it has enabled a huge potential also. So that is the reason you should start investing as soon as possible and start creating your wealth. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next one.